you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website such as social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Step 4. Reset your internet connection. Disconnect your internet connection for a few seconds and then reconnect. This can help refresh your network settings and improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy playing Overwatch 2 again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.